Lesson 6. Importing Site Demo Templates in Lenxel. Introduction. Welcome back to the Lenxel Tutorial Series. This lesson is designed specifically for developers. In this lesson, we'll guide you through the process of importing site demo templates. This will significantly speed up your development workflow by providing a pre-designed foundation for your courses and pages, without the need to start from scratch. Steps to import templates. 1. Ensure proper setup. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Install and activate the Lenxel theme. Refer to Lesson 2 for detailed instructions. Install and activate all required plugins. Refer to Lesson 2 for plugin installation. 2. Import Lenxel Demo Template. Navigate to Lenxel settings in the sidebar and click on Demo Importer. Locate the Import Demo button. Click Import Demo to initiate the template import process. Once the import is complete, visit the landing page and course page to explore the imported content. Benefits of importing templates. Accelerated development. Save valuable time by starting with a pre-designed framework. Consistent design. Maintain a professional and consistent look across your entire site. Enhanced efficiency. Streamline the design process and focus on customization. Need more help? Lenxel provides comprehensive documentation and support. Feel free to reach out with any questions. In the next lesson, we'll delve deeper into customizing your site's appearance by exploring how to create unique headers and footers for different pages. Stay tuned.